Want to build a home services app like Urban Company, TaskRabbit, or Thumbtack, but wondering how much it actually costs to build one in 2026? Here's the reality. It's not just about development. Your cost depends on your business model, features, AI adoption, and how you build it. Stick around because we'll cover top 3 home services business models, must-have app modules, AI-powered features shaping 2026, development options, and real costs. Let's start with the business models, because this is where your app cost really begins to take shape. 1. Aggregator model. You connect customers with verified service professionals, plumbers, electricians, cleaners, and more. Pros. Easy to scale. No need to manage service staff directly. Cons. Quality depends on partners. Cost impact needs provider onboarding, service listings, pricing logic, and real-time booking systems. 2. Managed services model. You hire, train, and manage service professionals yourself. Pros. Full control over quality and customer experience. Strong brand trust. Cons. Higher operational costs. Cost impact requires workforce management, scheduling systems, payroll integrations, and performance tracking. 3. Hybrid model. A mix of aggregator plus managed services. Pros. Flexibility and faster expansion. Best of both worlds. Cons. Complex backend. Cost impact combines multi-vendor systems with internal team management tools. Your chosen model directly impacts your home services app development cost. Pro tip for 2026. If you're starting with limited capital, begin with an aggregator model, validate demand, then expand into managed services once you scale. Every successful home services platform needs 3 core modules: customer app, easy service discovery, instant booking, secure payments, real-time tracking, reviews, rebooking, and AI-powered service recommendations, service provider app, job alerts, smart scheduling, route optimization, earnings dashboard, ratings, and performance insights, admin panel, manage users, services, providers, pricing, commissions, promotions, disputes, and business analytics, all from one dashboard. Now let's talk about AI, because in 2026, AI isn't optional. Add AI-powered features like smart service matching based on location, availability, and past behavior, predictive demand forecasting for peak hours, dynamic pricing based on demand and urgency, AI chatbots for instant customer and provider support, AI-based fraud detection and quality monitoring. These upgrades don't just improve experience, they reduce operational costs and boost retention. Now let's break down your development options, because this is where your budget and flexibility really differ. SaaS Home Services Platform, a ready-made solution on a monthly or yearly subscription. Best if you want to launch fast with minimal setup. Trade-off: limited customization and feature control. Custom home services app, built from scratch, exactly to your vision. Perfect for businesses planning long-term scale and unique workflows. Trade-off: higher investment and longer development time. White label solution, the smartest middle ground. Pre-built, branded as your own, customizable, and launch-ready in weeks. White label home services apps typically start from $3,999, and the final cost depends on AI features, integrations, and source code access. If you're going custom, here's how costs are usually calculated. Total development hours into hourly rate. Typical development breakdown. What does that mean for cost in 2026? India, $25,000 to $50,000. US or Canada, $150,000 to $250,000 plus dollar. Meanwhile, a white label solution can get you live from $3,999 with the flexibility to scale features as your business grows. At QuickWorks, we specialize in white label, AI-powered home services app solutions, designed to help you launch faster, scale smarter, and save thousands in development costs. Whether you're a startup or an enterprise, we help you build custom-branded, scalable, AI-ready home services platforms. Want to see it in action? Book a free demo with QuickWorks today and build your home services app the smart way.